In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open availability on Acuity in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the platform or you're looking to fine-tune your schedule, this guide will walk you through each step of the process to ensure your availability is up to date and visible to your clients. First things first, navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where all the magic happens. Upon landing on their homepage, you'll notice several options, but what we're interested in is the login button. Click on this to proceed. Once you've clicked on login, you're on your way to accessing your dashboard. But first, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one you used when signing up for Acuity. This ensures you'll be accessing the correct account without any hitches. After typing in your email, you'll see a Next button appear. Click on this to move forward. Now, Acuity provides a few different ways to log in, but for our purposes, we'll focus on Continue with Google. This option is particularly handy if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, streamlining the login process. Selecting Continue with Google will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already logged into Google, this might be as simple as confirming your choice. Otherwise, you may need to log into your Google account. With the preliminaries out of the way, it's time to get down to business. Your next step is to click on Availability. This is where you set your available time slots that your clients can book. Acuity's interface is designed to make this process intuitive, so you should easily find the Availability tab on the dashboard. Clicking on Availability unveils your current scheduling setup. You might see time slots that you've previously set up, or perhaps a default schedule depending on how your account was configured. To modify this to better suit your needs, you're going to want to edit your schedule. This might involve deleting time slots that no longer fit your availability. Editing your schedule is straightforward. Acuity provides a clear interface where you can delete unwanted time slots with just a click. However, remember, any deletions are immediate and will affect any future appointments booked during those times, so proceed with caution. After clearing out the old, it's time to add the new. Type in your new time slots. Acuity allows for detailed customization here. You can set different times for different days, accommodate breaks, and even block out vacation times. Think carefully about when you're truly available to avoid overbooking or scheduling conflicts. Once you're satisfied with your new availability, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save Regular Hours button. This final step ensures all your hard work doesn't go to waste, locking in your availability for your clients to see and book. A few additional tips to keep in mind through this process. 1. Consider your personal and professional commitments outside of what you schedule in Acuity to avoid overbooking. 2. Regularly update your availability. Life changes, and so should your schedule to reflect that. 3. Make good use of Acuity's customization options. Blocking out lunch breaks, setting aside time for administrative tasks, and ensuring you have breather slots can significantly impact your work-life balance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully updated your availability on Acuity scheduling. This process not only helps you manage your time effectively, but also ensures your clients have a smooth experience when booking appointments with you. Remember, the more accurate and up-to-date your availability is, the smoother your day-to-day operations will run. Acuity scheduling is more than just a tool for setting appointments. It's a way to manage your professional life more efficiently, giving you peace of mind and your clients the convenience they appreciate. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this guide with me. Whether you're setting your schedule for the first time or making seasonal adjustments, I hope this video has made the process clear and straightforward. Here's to managing your time better and making the most out of your Acuity scheduling.